Please understand, Mamdani should first say this, that I condemn the USA Patriot Act, which expanded surveillance powers. Allow me to complete, enable mandatory detention of immigrants, and you called immigrants aliens. First fix your problems and then talk about us. Close Guantanamo Bay, repeal overreaching security laws, honor international treaties, and address your human rights violations at home and abroad. But Subrashta, this is not the issue. Something else is going on. I don't think this is an innocent intrusion. I think there's a plan. How do you read it?
But you won't let me finish my point, Arnab. What I'm trying to say is that
Subrashta is coming in. Subrashta is coming in, sir. We have open debates in India.
So
we have open debates, sir. Let her respond to you, sir. Let her respond to you. Let's hear all sides, sir. Let's hear all sides.
I think it needs to be established that Zohran Mamdani's letter converts a very complex and violent Indian episode into a familiar global morality tale which we don't need from the US. A country who treated our, I wouldn't say icon, but somebody who India really associates itself with Shah Rukh Khan, and I don't need to go into detail as to how the US treated Shah Rukh Khan when he landed at one of his airports after the 9/11 attacks. So I don't think we need any morality tale from either Zohran Mamdani or any US government official for that matter. The problem is that this emotionally effective but intellectually flattening discourse is a very dangerous trope, as you already identified. At the center of this translation is a crucial omission that this gentleman in question here, Mr. Omar Khalid, is actually a person who is responsible for a couple of deaths. Yes, the Indian courts have not pronounced a verdict on him, but we also cannot conclusively state that.
Who decides it? You decide it?
Sir, please allow me to finish. I'm not yet done.
It?
And these deaths are not peripheral details, sir. These deaths are not peripheral, sir.
Can you comment on the pre-trial detention period? 5 years pre-trial detention period.
Would you stop trying to interfere? Would you stop trying to interfere in the middle of what she's saying?
No.
The letter which Mamdani has written adopts a grammar
no
in
hearings.
which violence is completely relocated to the state.
12 times the hearing was not done.
If we
and
were
he has to take back the case from the Supreme Court to the trial court.
Out of thin air, it does not.
And the world is laughing at us.
Violence had an author.
The world is laughing at us, Subrashta.
We are still discussing.
You don't detain a guy with no hearing.
Allow this accountability to, dissolve into abstraction.
The public prosecutor was missing. 59 times.
1 minute. One minute. This is again a bunch of lies being thrown.
ये legal argument नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं यहाँ बैठ करके.
Yes.
मैं moral argument की बात कर रही हूँ. आपको legal argument करना है. आप लड़ ही रहे हैं.
आपने 5 साल तक hearing नहीं करी उसकी.
Addressing the
आप postpone करते रहे.
America who is sitting
5 years. Delhi police could not close
moral grammar has become clearer day after day as to how US has treated its minorities.
You are not punishing him.
Also, I want to make it very clear. I want to make it very clear that India's communal violence cannot be read solely in the global language of binary language of protest versus repression. The state's failure may be real. We may have harsh laws.
Absolutely, Mamdani is right.
May be slow, but
Mamdani
none
is
of this
absolutely
eliminates
right.
the obligation
when the country goes in the wrong way, the world laughs at us.
Occurs.
And our systems, which are not in place.
Any solidarity that cannot begin there is not ethical clarity. Zohran Mamdani is not clear. Zohran Mamdani absolutely knows what he's trying to do here. If Zohran Mamdani does not have the guts to talk about Bangladesh, shut up about India.